my friend. Welcome back to the enTICEing Media YouTube channel. My name is enTICE from enTICEing Media, and I am here to help you build your confidence and your business with simple video strategies that actually work. So, real talk, do you ever feel super awkward in front of the camera? Like you hit record, suddenly your face doesn't know what to do, how to move, your voice gets weird, your mouth doesn't know how to move properly, and you're convinced you look like a deer in the headlights. Well, if that's you, I totally get it. I've been there. I'm still there, if you can't tell. So today I'm actually going to show you how I get over that awkwardness and how you can too. So if that sounds like something that you need in your life, then get your coffee, get comfy, and let's dive in. Oh, that's actually really cold. All right, tip number 1, acknowledge the awkwardness. So being on camera feels unnatural. And if you didn't grow up with a camera in your house or in your face, you know, like you're part of Gen Z, which actually has, even they struggle sometimes, but the awkwardness is totally normal and you're not actually bad at what you're doing. You're just new at it and you're not comfortable with it yet. When I first started, I would freeze up, even though I grew up wanting to be on camera. I would freeze up in front of the camera, and it's really cringy if you go back and watch like some old YouTube videos on the Kenny and Nell channel, but anyway, don't do that. You have to give yourself permission to be new and be a beginner. That's where we all start. So tip number 2 is practice without pressure. So one of the biggest game changers is practicing when no one is watching. So seriously, I say this all the time, pick up your phone, prop it up, put it on a stand if you want, or just hold it right in front of you and talk to it like you were FaceTiming with a friend. Most of the videos you can hit record, you don't have to. If you do, you don't have to show them to anyone. Just at some point hit record. Keep practicing this every single day and your confidence will begin to grow. The stronger you will get as well. Schedule just 5 minutes a day to get this time in, and you can talk about anything. Talk about a conversation you had last night, what you had for lunch, whatever it is. Just make sure you are making the content and then you're getting comfortable with it on camera. That is one practicing tip that I tell clients and I tell everybody to do every day. Just pick up your phone, record something, and do it for 30 days. Develop the habit, and that will help you get way more comfortable on camera. So tip number 3 is to find your natural style. So another thing that I've learned is that not everybody is super bubbly and not everybody is super high energy on camera. I'm not overly high energy. Maybe I'm higher energy than others, but that's okay. And if you spend too much time trying to be like other people you admire, other people that you follow, and you're trying to be just like them, spoiler alert, that backfires. So the audience that you have and you're developing is here for you, and they're not here for them. So be yourself. Stop doing your best impression of who you're trying to be. If you're casual, if you're serious, if you're funny, if you're a little bit hippie chic, let that happen naturally. And the secret sauce is letting that shine through to really be able to connect with your audience. Tip number 4, focus on service, not self. This is huge. When you focus your shift from yourself onto the actual service that you're providing, and you stop obsessing over how your hair looks. The humidity in PA today is like humiditying, and the hair is herring, just an FYI. But anyway, we're not worried about that. So when you stop obsessing about how your hair looks, or is my makeup right, or am I wearing the right thing, or am I saying too much? When you start thinking about how can I make this person's day easier, how can I serve, how can I help people, everything shifts. It's crazy. So just remember that people are watching not for perfection. They're not watching because you're perfect. They're watching because you're real and human. And whether it's messy or imperfect or whatever, that's actually what's building the trust, not the perfection. Tip number 5, celebrate every single win. Every single win. Did you record a 30-second video today? Celebrate that win. Did you hit publish even when you thought you were nervous and you appeared nervous? another huge win. Do a little happy dance, celebrate, have another cup of coffee, have a drink, whatever it is for you that works. Make sure you're celebrating and encouraging yourself, because confidence is built brick by brick. It's not all built at once. Be proud of what you've accomplished and the progress, no matter how small that step really feels. That's it. Those are my go-tos. Those are the ways that I help myself feel more confident on camera. And I will tell you, not every day is the same. And even when it feels like you've made some progress and this is feeling great, you still might have days where you're not feeling super confident. And that's okay too. So if you're looking for a little like bonus tip, let that be it. Let yourself be who you are, be authentic, and understand that not every day is going to be exactly how you envision it when you show up on camera. You've got this. You can do it. Awkward is normal. Practice is magic. If you found this helpful, do me a favor, hit like on this video, subscribe to the channel, share this video with a friend for somebody who really truly needs to hear this. I'm sure we all know somebody that does, if they're especially in the content creation world. So if you've got a favorite hack or something that you do to feel less awkward on camera, drop it in the comments below. Let's start a discussion and let's help each other out. I'd love to hear from you. And I appreciate you hanging out for today and look forward to more videos, helpful tips, and more info just like this on the channel yet to come. So thanks for hanging out and bye for now.